Tongue scraping to remove bad breath and bacteria. Dr. Robert Cassar, eartheracademy.com. Okay, this is a simple tip of the day, and if you don't have one of these simple instruments right here, okay, then you're missing out, because a tongue scraper is one of the best ways to actually make your mouth, okay, have clean hygiene. And that's a necessity, especially if you're a doctor or you're somebody that talks close to people, or just if you're with your mate, remember, and you've got a dirty tongue, that means you've got bad breath. And your tongue accumulates all of the bacteria from your gut. So remember, we have a lot of intestinal bacteria in our mouth. That's what tells us a lot of times what to eat, okay, because the tongue and the intestines, okay, or the gut, are a connection to what you really like to eat. So this is the best way for you to be able to not only get rid of the bad breath, okay, with the tongue scraper, and I use a copper tongue scraper, as you can see right here, because it's really good for, well, for not holding bacteria onto here, and also it cleans, I think, better than the stainless steel or the plastic ones. But if you, remember, clean your tongue before you eat, you're going to find out that everything tastes better. Is because all that bacteria, remember, your tongue is an organ, and you want to clean this thing, okay? And the way you do it is real simple. I like to get this tongue scraper with the two sides so I can hold on to them. It's got really good little handles on it like this. And like I said, this is brass. And after you brush your teeth, you floss, whatever you're going to go ahead and do, okay? You want to go ahead in the morning when you get up, when you got your bad breath, right? And before you eat, okay, or before you go to bed, okay, I always tongue scrape. So what you do is you put this all the way to the back of your throat. And you can see there's a little bit of gack on there because I just did mine a little while ago, okay? But that's the stuff you want to get off. And you got white tongue, well, wash it off. And I just put it back on the sink. If you've got white tongue, guys, you know what you've got? You've got yourself a problem, okay? You've got candida in your mouth. Scrape that stuff off, okay? Use our mouthwash if you haven't seen how to make a very simple mouthwash, okay? That helps you with a non-toxic way for you to be able to remove a bunch of bacteria and a lot of different sugars and different things that are going to make your teeth go rotten. So this is a simple tip of the day, okay? And if you want to taste your food better, and if you don't want to have bad breath, and you want to decrease the amount of intestinal bacteria in your mouth, then you're going to want to go ahead and get a simple, like I said, a tongue scraper. The best, probably about $7 or so, the best investment that you could ever have, okay, for one of the tools to be able to help you in your terrain modification program. So go to our special, we have all different recommended products on eartheracademy.com that I give you links directly to Amazon. From the products that I've used, and from the meters that I use to check our frequencies, to tongue scrapers, to a lot of different products that basically I give you the links that I found that actually are the better products and the best price. Okay, trying to use Amazon Prime too. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next tip of the day. Aloha, and clean that tongue. And you'll have fresh, if you can smell your own breath, remember, people smell it too. So, as they used to do. Okay, I don't smell anything. Okay, so especially if you're fasting, guys, you want to clean your tongue, but every time you eat, okay, every time you eat, you want to clean your tongue before you eat, and you'll taste your food. Okay, maybe you won't eat as much either. Okay, that's it. Aloha.